Hi kids, how are you all? Welcome to Kids Learn with Fun channel and Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. Do you know, in this day we celebrate the birthday of Lord
Ganesha.
So kids, today we will make Ganesha with the help of paper craft. Are you ready to make Ganesha with me? Come with me and say with me, Ganpati Bappa morya, Mangal Murti morya. आज आप क्या बना रहे हो रियांश? वेरी गुड। बनाना स्टार्ट करें? चलो बोलो, गणपति बाप्पा
मोरया,
गणपति बाप्पा
मोरया,
गणपति बाप्पा
मोरया।
वेरी नाइस।
Now kids, paste yellow color paper sheet on glass. Now kids, we take sparkle sheet for Ganesha Mukut. Now kids, Mukut is ready now. Now it's time to make ears of Ganesha. Now ear is also ready to paste. Now kids, take design cutting for making mukut. And also take some stones for decoration of mukut. Now we make nose from red paper sheet. So kids, our all material ready to make Ganesha now. Now let's start with mukut cutting and paste on top of the glass. And now paste the ear also. Now paste nose on face of Ganesha. Now make eyes and tikka on forehead of Ganesha. Now kids, it's time to decorate the mukut with stones. You can use pearls and golden stone also. Now kids, our Ganesha is looking very sweet. Bye kids. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.
सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को, धुंदिल लाल विराजे सित गौरी हर को, हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को, जय देव जय देव।